Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this interesting algebraic problem, and the problem is 6 powered by a minus 6 powered by b, that is equal to 1260. Then how to solve this expression for the value of a and b. So friends, this is a very interesting problem, and you have still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to like the video. Here in the left hand side we have two expressions, that is 6 powered by a and 6 powered by b, and we have here is negative signs. It means 6 powered by a will be greater than 6 powered by b. 6 powered by b. So because here 1260 is a positive number, it is a positive number. So here 6 powered by a is greater than 6 powered by b, and because the left hand side value is bigger than the right hand side value, and here base is same 6 and 6, so here a will be greater than b. So it is obvious a will be greater than b, means if we'll add some things we can make it to a. So let us take a is equal to b plus any constant value. So here we have added constant value to make b as to equal to a. So fine, hope till here everything is clear. Now we'll substitute b plus k in place of a in this expressions. So we have 6 powered by a minus 6 powered by b, that is equal to 1260. Now in place of a we'll write b plus k. So 6 powered by b plus k minus 6 powered by b, that is equal to 1260. And here the exponent values are in addition. It is in the form of a powered by m plus n, and we can write it as a powered by m times a powered by n. So according to this formula we can write this expression as 6 powered by b times 6 powered by k minus 6 powered by b, that is equal to 1260. Now from this expression 6 powered by b is common. 6 powered by b we can take common, so 6 powered by b, and the remaining in this first part is 6 powered by k. So it is 6 powered by k and negative sign, and here it is 1, so 1, and that is equal to 1260. And now in the next step we will factorize 1260. So 1260, and we can factor it by 2. So the 2, then it will be 6, and here it is 30, and again by 2, then here it is 315. So now by 3 it is 1 and 0 5. Now again by 3 it is 3 3s are 9 and 1 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 and 7, 5 7s are 35. So we have two factors, one is 6 powered by b and another factor is 6 powered by k minus 1. So one factor will be lesser. Now we can make the factor as 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So it is 36, and another will be 5 and 7, 5 7s are 35. So we have two factors. So we can write this expression now as 6 powered by b times 6 powered by k minus 1, and we'll factorize this term as 36 multiplied by 35. Now 6 is a unique value, so any power of 6, the last digit of the value will be 6 only. So here we have 6 only, and another term that is in negative, so this value can be 35, and one more factor, and we can compare it to the 6 powered by b will always be even, and this value 6 powered by k will be even, and the minus 1 will be odd. So here we have two values, one is even, it is even, and this one is odd. So we can equal 6 powered by b with 36. So we can write 6 powered by b, that is equal to 36, and another value is 6 powered by k minus 1, that is equal to 35. So here 6 powered by b, that is equal to 36 is square of 6. So 6 is square. Now here the base 6 and 6 is same. So we'll equate the power. So b is equal to 2. And here we'll take 1 in the right hand side. It will be 36. So 6 powered by k is equal to 36. And again 6 powered by k, that is equal to 36 is 6 square. So here again k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2. So now we have calculated b is equal to 2 and k is equal to 2 only. Now we'll put the value over here and we'll calculate a. So a is equal to b is 2, 2 and k is also 2. So 2, 2, 4. So the value of a is 4 and value of b is 2. So these are our answer of the questions. So for now we'll check whether this value is satisfying this expression or not. Now for that we'll erase this. Now the expression is 6 powered by a minus 6 powered by b, that is equal to 1260. Now in place of a we'll put 4 and in place of b it is 2. So 6 powered by 4 minus 6 powered by 2, that is equal to 1260. Now from here we can take 6 powered by 2 common. So 6 powered by 2 common and it is 6 powered by 2 here and minus 1, that is equal to 1260. Now the value of 6 square is 36. So it is 36 multiplied by, here it is 36 minus 1, 35, that is equal to 1260. And here we have multiplied 36 and 35 is 1260. So therefore we can say that 36 and 35 multiplication is 1260 and 1260 here. So the left hand side value LHS equal to RHS. So this satisfies this expression. So our value of a and b are correct. So friend, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.